Hello everyone, welcome to our latest series, Waiting the Happen for Crypto. In this series, we'll be talking about the major happenings in the crypto space in Nigeria and beyond. I'm sure many of us know Bybit Exchange. Yes, Bybit Exchange is still a very functional exchange in Nigeria, and of course, people have their P2P transactions. However, there is a new scam. How does this scam work? When you have a P2P transaction on Bybit, whoever you sell to on the other end now tends to report such transaction as a fraudulent transaction. And guess what happens? Your bank blocks your account. These guys are just finding a way to make money illegally. Listen again. Be very careful when you want to trade P2P on Bybit. Make sure whoever you are trading with is verified and renowned and has good ratings. If not, they will report your transaction as a fraudulent account to your bank, and the bank will block you, and there's nothing you can do about it because Nigeria still has some strict regulations about cryptocurrency, and many banks have not come to terms with it. This now waiting the happen for crypto. Thank you. Let's milk it.